Today, I'm going to be reviewing dropshipping TikTok accounts and their websites. A lot of the time, there's at least something that every dropshipper can improve on. Alright, so here is the first account. The views are not very good, especially considering they have 75,000 followers. Let's take a look into their videos. Alright, we found the first problem. What is this? The videos could definitely use some improvement, but now let's check their website. So when you click on their TikTok link, it actually brings you to the homepage, which you don't want to do because it reduces conversions. You want to put it on the actual product page. So here's their product page. The images are not bad, but they are different sizes, so I would make them all the same. This looks pretty good. But these buttons right here, I feel like a lot of people wouldn't click because they just think it's a badge. So this is honestly pretty bad. This description does not make any sense. Decent reviews, but can definitely get rid of these, like thanks. And I would definitely move these to the bottom. This is not bad, but I'll definitely make this more concise. And here, and here. They do have a nice logo. They have a track order page. So, you know, overall, not too bad. I would focus on fixing the videos. Just a quick pause, I do want to let you guys know that I have a completely free Discord. You can ask me any questions there, and I'll 100% respond to you. We also got a lot of useful stuff in there, so yeah, feel free to join, link in description. Alright, so here is the second store. They only have 5 videos, and they all have an insane amount of views. Profile looks good, description looks good. Let's check their website. Off the bat, you can see that their icon on the tab, it says Halo. So they should change that to the infinity bottle. Alright, so product images, they're great. All the same size, high quality. They have the scarcity right here. Reviews, good font. This part looks very good. Now they have a nice GIF saying as seen on TikTok. Some benefits. Product in use. Some bold writing. This is very good. And their reviews are great. They have 1,020 plus customers. They can improve these a little bit. They have a risk-free guarantee, free shipping. And yeah, overall, the entire site looks very good. So let's try to check out. The cart drawer looks very nice. Got the same color. So yeah, this is good. Alright, this is the final account. So as you can see, 36,000 followers, million views, 3 million views, 7 million views. This is probably the cleanest website I've seen. Got perfect images, the as seen on TikTok. The color selector is amazing. They got the buy one, buy two. And then they have the GIFs, some text. Yeah, these are very good. They have a big banner here, 50% off. And then they also have upsells, which is like more pinballs and targets. So that increases their order value. Now everything is clean. I would add a track order page, you know, they're still killing it. But yeah, other than that, I don't think I would change anything about this website. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.